A while back on my YouTube channel, I filmed a couple videos talking about how much money I made with my Cricut business. My most viewed video on my entire channel is talking about how much money I made during my third month in business. I don't know why the third month in particular has done so well, but it has almost 250,000 views, which is just mind-blowing to me. People are seeing it all over the world. I never knew when I started this channel if anybody would see my content aside from like the 50 people on my Facebook, but my channel just keeps on growing and growing, and I am so thankful to everybody who watches my content, likes, shares, any of those things. You are helping my small business grow, and you're helping me reach my dreams. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm glad to teach you guys what I have learned along the way, little tips and tricks. I also don't charge you guys for any of this information that I share. It doesn't cost you a dime to watch my videos. You don't have to buy a book or an ebook or a course. I know a lot of YouTubers do that. Jennifer Maker has courses. Maker's Gonna Learn, they have books. I don't charge you guys anything for any of what I share with you. If you guys do want to help support me in my YouTube channel business, I have recently launched a new line of merch with the help of my husband. I am so excited. We have a whole bunch of new products in our shop. I have a link down below in the video description, so I would love if you went and checked that out. We have a whole bunch of things like shirts, water bottles, stickers, tote bags. I have a lot of inspirational and motivational things for all of you entrepreneurs out there hustling to start your own business. I am just launching this shop. I am so excited. I hope I get some sales, but you never know when you start a new business, right? It's scary having those doubts, like, are people gonna like my stuff? Are they gonna buy anything? But really, what do you have to lose? I would love to hear in the comments what you think about my new shop. I'm sporting one of the fabulous shirts right now. I think that a lot of people are getting Cricut machines and are wanting to make money with them, which is great. If you're gonna have a way to make money working from home, why not use it? Cricut is an awesome way to do that. You can make so much with a Cricut. You know, there's cups, t-shirts, shadow boxes, memorial lanterns, Easter baskets, paper products, flowers, cards. Like, I could go on and on and on. So let's see the kind of things that I sold during my 5th, 6th, and 7th month in business. That would be the first quarter of 2019. I'm going to open up my Excel spreadsheet and show you guys what I had going on back then. So here we are in my Cricut business spreadsheet. We are looking at the months of January, February, and March of 2019. In my previous videos, I was focusing on 1 month at a time, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently now and show you 3 months at a time. So this is quarter 1 of 2019. So in January, I only sold 3 items. I sold a unicorn for $30, a Wreck-It Ralph stuffed animal for $45, and another unicorn for $30. These were 3 stuffed animals. It was all for 1 person. I only got 1 order for the entire month of January. A lot of you guys are probably like, oh my God, this girl only sold 1 order for the entire month. But there is a very specific reason for why I only got that many sales in the month of January. So January comes right after Christmas. The month of December was only my 4th month in business. December was a really, really busy month for me. I had the highest sales that I ever had with my Cricut business. I made just under $2,000. We can go back and take a glimpse at what I sold during my 4th month in business. I have a whole video talking about that, so if you want to go back and watch that, it's on my YouTube channel. I will try to remember to put a card right above. I also started doing craft fairs that month. I did 2 craft fairs. In addition to taking care of my 1 and 3-year-old at the time, I was just really, really burnt out. I don't think that my kids were even in school at that time, so I was really just working when they went to sleep. So taking care of 2 babies all day long, then finally putting them to bed, staying up all night working on orders, I was just burnt out. So January comes around and I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to advertise and market and put myself out there and keep doing craft fairs. I really took January as an opportunity to just sit back and relax and like try to recoup and think about what I wanted to sell in the future. The best thing with a Cricut business is that you can work when you want to. One thing that you'll see when we get into the summer months is that I stopped my Cricut business because my kids were home from school. My kids come first in my life, just like when COVID happened and I stopped my Cricut business then. Sometimes I need to put my business on hold and focus on my family. I'm fortunate enough that my husband makes enough money that he's pretty much the primary breadwinner of the family, and this is just my side hustle. I make money when I want to and when I have the time to. So I took a break in January. Then in February, I picked up my sales and I started selling a lot more. So by the time February came around, I started selling more consistently. You can see I have a lot more orders right here. Not as much as in December, but you got to remember that right after Christmas, people are broke. They're not spending as much money as they were during the holidays. It's normal for people's sales to kind of die down right after Christmas. So my first sale of February 2019 was a pink and a gray elephant. That's two separate elephants. I was selling them for $25 a piece with $5 shipping, so $25.50 plus $60. I don't know where that other $5 came in, but for some reason I charged them $65. Oh, you know what it was? At the time I was selling pink elephants for $30 and gray elephants for $25. So that would be $30, $40, $50, $55 plus $10 shipping, which is $65. So the $65 order was for two elephants plus shipping. Then I also started selling funny men's underwear. I was selling these for Valentine's Day. They were boxer briefs. I have a video up on my YouTube channel showing you how to make those. I kind of have a little pattern of what I do on my YouTube channel where I show you what I sold with my business, but then I also have tutorials showing you how to make the things that I made. So February was mostly selling funny boxer briefs. I have this is boxers, this is that. All these $10 things are all boxers, and this one that's $13.75 was probably with shipping. These are two pairs of boxers, two more pairs. This was a personal order for card decals. I did the same thing with, like I do with my memorial lanterns, where I take a photo and I turn it into an SVG. I did this for a woman's dog who passed away. I think she had gotten 2 of the decals, and I probably charged her like $10 a piece. So it was $20 for the card decals, and I have a whole bunch more underwear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So lots of boxer briefs in February. Those have always been one of my best-selling Valentine's Day gifts. And then the last things that I sold in the month of February were 2 monogram frames and another birth announcement elephant. I had to reopen this for a minute so I could do some calculations. The other one was a read-only copy. So let's see how much money I made during the month of February. So equals sum, parenthesis, and then we're going to drag this down to here. I made $407 during the month of February. January was $36, $78, $105. And let's see what happened in March. March looks like it was a very busy month for me. I was selling a whole lot of Easter bunnies in baskets in March. So we start here with an elephant, followed by a unicorn, and then we get into Easter baskets. I sold 2 Easter baskets. I was selling the Easter baskets for $15 a piece. I got them from Five Below. I have a video on my YouTube channel about how to personalize Easter baskets, and I have another video about how to personalize bunnies. There is so much useful content on my channel, so make sure that you subscribe and go through those older videos. Somebody, this owl personalization right here is a custom order. Somebody brought me a stuffed animal that they had and they wanted me to personalize it for them. I only charged them $10. Then we have some unicorns, 3 of them for $75. I'm selling them for $25 a piece. We have 2 Easter baskets, 2 bunnies, a basket, a bunny, a basket, a bunny, a basket, a bunny, a unicorn, an elephant. This is 2 bunnies plus shipping. Easter basket, Easter basket, Easter basket. I went back and forth between calling them buckets and baskets. I don't know why. We have a basket and a Santa cam. I don't know why somebody bought a Santa cam in March, but I think they just saw it on my page and bought it. We also have another Easter bunny. Easter bunny, Easter bunny, Easter basket, Easter basket, basket, bunny. Another unicorn, bunny, 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 basket, basket, elephant, basket, bunny, elephant, basket, unicorn, bunny, 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 monogram frame, basket, 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 bunny, elephant, basket, elephant, bunny, basket. Tiles. What is tiles? Tiles is probably those ceramic tiles that I was making like the wood signs out of. I have a video on that on my channel. They're from Home Depot. It cost me under $2 to make it, and I was selling them for like $30. I have another Easter basket and bunny, bunny, basket, 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 elephant. This was a custom order for a stuffed moose that I personalized. 4 shirts, which I apparently made for free. It was probably free friend or something. 15 tank tops for $150. That was a custom order for a friend who was getting married and they wanted Jack and Jill shirts. So they were just tank tops with like a little bit of text on them. We have elephant, 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 more underwear. Oh, now we're into April. So we're going to stop in April and save that for another video. But let's see how much money I made during March. So we do equal sum, parenthesis, and we're going to go to the beginning of March, which is here. So in March, I made $1,446.75 with my small business. So this is what the first quarter of my business in 2019 looked like. This is months 5, 6, and 7 into my business. March was a really, really good month for me, and the good thing is that it's not even Easter yet. So if you guys aren't selling these Easter baskets and bunnies right now, I would really get on that. You can get the baskets from Five Below for only $5. I was selling them personalized for $15. The bunnies I was buying at Walmart. They are so hit or miss though. They're really hard to find. You really can't find them online. I would go into the store and try to find them. They were, I want to say $5.88 per bunny. I was selling them for $15 with 1 year personalized or $20 for both years personalized. I thought that was a great strategy because I had a lot of people who were buying both price ranges. Some people wanted the $15 one, but some people wanted the $20 one. So I would give people the option. You could do first and middle name, first and last name, the first name and the date. And people would choose all different kinds of things. Stuffed animals are also awesome to sell because they're really cheap to ship. It only costs $5 to ship a stuffed animal. You also don't have to worry about them breaking. You can just stuff it into a bubble mailer. I'm sorry this video isn't more exciting for you guys. I mostly just sold a lot of stuffed animals, Easter baskets, bunnies, unicorns, and elephants. Just because you can make everything with a Cricut doesn't mean you have to make everything with a Cricut. There are so many people who have gotten rich in life from selling one product. Like, think about as seen on TV. They make one product which goes viral and people get rich. Cricut's cool because you have the option to make a whole bunch of different things. You could try making shadow boxes, and you know what? If shadow boxes don't work, you can make shirts or wine glasses. The possibilities are really endless. You need to find what makes you happy, what sells good in your area, what's not oversaturated, what your niche is. And just because these things sold really well for me doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to sell really good for you. I don't want you guys to look at my success and think that that's immediately going to happen to you, because we all live different lives. We live in different areas. We have different social groups. I'm here to show you that it is possible to make money with your Cricut. You know, I've never made tens of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars with my Cricut machine, but what I was able to make was several $100s a week working from home, only putting in the bare minimum hours while my kids went to school or napped for 2 hours during the day, and then for an hour or two after they went to bed. The hardest part was just having the energy after dealing with babies all day to stay up all night and work on these orders. So that wraps up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as you have liked the other ones in the past. Comment below letting me know what you think. I'll keep bringing you more content like this if that's what you guys want to see.